We may have found a car with the most carbon fiber ever used on a build, a Subaru WRX STI owned and built by a guy known as Carbon_Mike on Instagram. Apart from the Koenig Hypergram wheels, light assemblies, quad tailpipes, badges, and windows, everything else on the car is made from carbon fiber. Specifically, the car's front and rear quarter panels, roof, hood, bumpers, and most of its interior bits are all made of carbon fiber. These aren't just wrapped, either. They are painstakingly crafted and recreated authentic carbon fiber pieces. It helps that Mike works in Carbon Trends, a SoCal-based company specializing in the composite material. Despite having enough carbon fiber to make Mansory builds blush, the third-generation Subaru WRX retains its shape as seen in the video above that showcases its appearance at SEMA 2023. The full carbon WRX build also gets a roll cage layered in carbon fiber, Sparco seats and harnesses, and a Stage 2 short block engine setup with forged pistons and stronger connecting rods from IAG Performance. No power figures were provided, but Mike says it was tuned conservatively for reliability. Now for the big question, how light is the car? Unfortunately, Mike could not provide exact figures, but when he fiddled with the vehicle's door, it looked like it had the heft of cardboard. We can only imagine that this thing could rip like a go-kart. It's worth noting that while carbon fiber touts excellent rigidity, good corrosion resistance, and is super lightweight, it does have its downsides. The composite material is brittle, and repairing damages is quite a hassle. That said, Mike keeps the car as a garage queen, only making scant appearances to promote Carbon Trends. For this purpose, this lightweight hatchback should stay in decent condition.